everyone, thanks for joining me. This is Connie. Today I have a quick Happy Mail share with you. I want to thank Laura for the wonderful Happy Mail. Uh, Always so nice to go to the mailbox and see something besides a bill. So thank you. So just go ahead and get started. She sent me some cards. This is one of the cards. This is so cute. Just love that. Just cheerful and bright, and I like that. So thank you for that. And she's got envelopes for everything. And then she's got three, and then I had a quick note in one of these. And thank you so much. I appreciate it. These are some Happy Mail cards to be sent. These are paper paste. I'm pretty sure they're in Cricut Design Space from Kira Sorter, if I'm not positive, or if I remember correctly. I'd seen them, but these are just precious. I love those. And then she's got them a little note in the middle where you can make a note for the Happy Mail recipient. So thank you. These will definitely be put to good use. I appreciate it. And then she's got this beautiful trivet. I don't know if we'll get it all in. I apologize. Don't want to back up too far or have a mess, but this is really pretty. She did a bunch of sewing on that, and I love Halloween, so um, our Halloween fall. I just love fall in general, everything fall. I love the colors, and this is very pretty. Definitely will be using it. I love the little snowman face button on there. That's adorable. And that's about what our Halloween is like around here. It's always bitter cold and sometimes lots of snow. You never know. So, and then I got this. I'm going to see if I can back out just a little bit. I apologize, just to get it all in. Bear with me a moment. See my ugly desk. Should say it's not so much the desk, it's the scratch work surface from years and years of being used. But this is an altered composition book, and it's awesome because this is movable, okay? So you can take this out, mark your plates and such. But it's got a pencil holder. I love that idea. That is so neat. So very, very pretty. And she did the back like this in this color. Thank you very much, Laura. I appreciate the Happy Mail. I use notepads all the time. I can't remember things. In fact, I have to call the doctor again and get my appointment scheduled. It's so bad. So this will definitely get used. I love it. Thank you. And just want to let everybody, want to thank everybody for joining me and all your support, your kindness over the years. I am trying to get more videos, trying to get back into a better schedule. I'm hopefully back to a little bit more of an even keel, but I do have another paper piece video coming up in the next day or two, and I'm working on a mini album, but it's taking a lot longer than I had anticipated. So in the meantime, I've got some videos and stuff I'm going to be sharing. I have decided to share some of my scrapbook layouts. It was a tough decision just because I do have the photos in some of them. They're not all mine. So, but I'm going to be sharing those 12 by 12 and 8.5 by 11 layouts. So I will be doing that throughout coming up too. So the other thing I forgot to share with you is this awesome bag. It's wonderful. I love it. It's got it's like a vinyl, but then it's got a mesh on the inside, or I can't quite tell, but these bags are so durable and so nice for projects. It's from scrapbook.com, it says, if you can see that. But these are very, very nice. Very nice. So anyway, thank you everybody for joining me. Thank you, Laura, for the Happy Mail. I appreciate it. I hope to be sending some out myself soon again. It's just been pretty crazy. But thank you. Have a great day. Take care. Thanks for watching.